Meaning of air.
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 A. A is a versatile interjection commonly used in Canadian English and other English-speaking countries. It can be used to express a range of emotions such as surprise, confusion, agreement, or asking for clarification. Its usage can also convey cultural identity or geographic origin. In some contexts, it can function as a discourse marker that invites the listener to participate in the conversation or to indicate the speaker's willingness to engage with the listener. Overall, it serves as a subtle yet significant linguistic tool for communication and social interaction in a variety of situations.